Okay, here's where I am right now. It is 5:09 right now, and I'm in Austin, so that's where I am, and that's also what time it is. I threw an extra treat in there. I am about to go to a songwriter meeting group thing called the Austin Songwriters Group Songwriter Austin, something like that, at 7 o'clock. Basically, the whole day I've been in here. I just walked outside a little bit. It's not that nice outside, but it's warm, just kind of rainy and like overcast, which is actually pretty nice. I don't like staying inside the whole day, and I'm happy to work on the songs. I feel like that's something that I really want to work on, but at the same time, I kind of want to go outside and maybe do something before that. And I know I'm probably going to be late to the Austin Songwriters Group thing. That happens. That's me. I'm Dan Kumkowski. Pleasure to meet you. I'm late a lot. So I'm also going to have to eat dinner too. I took a shower, so that's a plus. So I'm going to record these couple songs together probably to save some time and not watch them right now. These are songs that maybe aren't so far along. I feel like those 4 songs I recorded are the 4 songs I've been playing the most, and it's the 4 songs that are really, all of them are pretty close to being done, and they're all like finished products plus just smoothing out the edges. And then of course, if I wanted to produce them, or if I had some band members to add some different parts or stuff like that, then that'd be fantastic. But on their own, they're all pretty close to being done. Here's some other songs that aren't as close to being done. The first one I'll do is Birds for Words, which is it's pretty well done up until halfway through, in which point it's not done at all. I played this yesterday or 2 days ago for people at Charlie's meetup group, and people didn't seem all that enthused about it. It's kind of a different song. It's not really as catchy, I guess, but well, I think it's good. I like it, and I think it's very interesting. I think it couldn't be very good too. So I'll play it. I'll try not to hurt your head with my chair. Fall to the world at the speed of my fall. Gravity's no factor, it means nothing at all. Because words are words and they're not for birds. No, people make our words so they can be heard. Words like falling, and the ground, and the birds in the world. And oh my, I mean the words I say what I mean what I say. But everything I say is another word that when's a man supposed to get some? You know, birds they fly real high, and when they're up the sky, they don't have thought in their mind. No, they're flying through time, going right past the sign. Never stop for a question, no, they don't have the time. But I think I'm different, just like everyone else. I think we all fall together, just like everything else. And when you put it all together, it'll pass like the weather. I had a lyric here, I hope I wrote it down. It was a pretty good lyric, but I forgot the lyric. So I don't have it right now. Maybe I'll come back with it later. Subee. So that's what I have right now so far. I'm struggling on where to go with it afterwards. Some other parts of the song that might be in this song or might be in a different song. People at the meetup said that it sounds really different musically, so it would probably be different, but like might be like a different place in the album or something like that, which I can jive with. It goes like this. Fly. Really, there's no clip on this. Fly, how about you fly into my window? You're such a silly bird. Haven't you ever heard of a bird that wasn't absurd? Fly into my window. It's such a silly world, so many boys and girls. Fly into mine and see just what it means to be, just what they mean by to be. Okay, there's that. Now we're going to do Subee Sunshine. Oh! lonely, cold's been cold past 6 months. Oh, I don't recall seeing anything at all. Never loneliness like this. But they say everybody has their own horizon. Ooh. And I think I found mine. Soon be sunshine. It's gonna shine today. Soon be sunshine. Shines oh my way. She makes me warm. She lights me up. She's gonna make the flowers grow. Above the sing, and I will sing, for she brings life's energy. Take me home, make me home, super sweetly. Show me that you love me, show me that you love me home. Make me home, super sweetly. Show me how you love me, show me how you love me. Okay, there's a bit more that I've written down, but I don't remember it very well. I just wrote it earlier on. So that's where we're going to cut it right there for that. And I'm going to think if we want to do any other songs, and just do one they call him Jubilee Joe. They say he's the kid, he's the Joe. He ain't like us, old to fold, no. So Jubilee Joe writes a song for folks about a rock and what it evokes. And he calls himself Jubilee Joe. These words like no, you know, sticks and stones. I'm Jubilee Joe. No, sticks and stones. Jubilee Joe, here at last. Now the folks this rocks, they give him their gold. So much in fact that he can't hold. Joe goes, I can't hold this, my home can't hold this. So they built me a temple of gold. Then Joe goes, next thing go. My gold, they can't hold all my gold. Okay, there's more to that. I have to work on that song musically and add the lyrics a little bit. So that's just a quick version of it, just to get it on camera. That's how you say it. I'm just joking, of course. What other songs can we do that we like to do quite frequently? And dream a little dream of you. I don't know how that song goes. I feel like the chords are fairly similar to the Bird's words, and so that's kind of why I always didn't go for it that much. But I played it a couple weeks ago. It's actually a pretty good song, I think. It needs a lot of work, but I want to dream every night. Dream every night, waking, no, dream every night, waking, sun in eyes, sun trees, dragonfly, really see of time. But every day I blink away this hunger I must feed. I walk and stare in front of me, I don't see what's in front of me. I see stars in your eyes, reflecting grand surprise. Moon on us, fireflies. day I feel away, this hunger I must feed. I'm a handsome face, I have a face, I don't see what's inside me. Marching band runs through my head on an endless morning stroll. Like nomads in uniform, they make sound in uniform. Cymbals crashing in my head, cymbals crashing in my head. I can't remember how that goes. I dream every night, waking, sun and eyes, crazy all the time. Okay, there were other parts of that song that I don't remember, so that's just how it is right now. So, what other songs are there? I was working on Bubbles in the Puddle. Bubbles in the puddle, bubbles in the puddle, bubbles in the puddle, praying for rain. Bubbles in the puddle, they fall in the mud. Bubbles in the puddle, praying for rain. Praying for rain. Never escape the pain. The drain is what I meant to say. The pain drain, never feel pain, and never know their names. All sounds the same. Silence, silence. Silence on the surface, silence on the surface, silence on the surface, all sounds the same. Silence on the surface, silence on the surface. Okay, that song also needs a lot of work too, but kind of cool idea, I think. And then there's another song I was gonna do. I can't remember it, but I'm gonna take like 15 more seconds so I remember it. So it might be kind of awkward for you watching. And if I don't get it, then I'm going to end the video because it's already been almost 14 minutes. I could do Man in the Water. That's a big one. Some other songs that I could do... I could do I'm an Ocean. That's a good one too. I'm just going to look at my list actually of songs written because that's a helpful thing that I have. Honestly, I should go right now, so I don't think I'm going to do anything more unless I really want to. Me in the Sky I've been working on lately. That's pretty cool. This is Boulder, has some potential. Monkey is a good classic. I have a classic. Postulating is cool. Those are all old songs. My God Left Me Family, that's pretty cool. There's a bunch of new songs that I don't have on this list right now. Oh Hallelujah on Rainy Days, that's a good one too. And Elmirah. I want to do Elmirah, that's the one that came up to mind. I was playing that one before. Also wrote this last year, haven't really worked on it yet. But I'll just do a little bit. Call me up. Call me Elmirah, I'm a stray dog on the side of the road. I keep my head down in the sun. I grow dirtier and cold. Songs written in Argentina. I shouldn't try to just talk while I was doing the song. Like, oh yeah, I can do that, no problem. Nope. but I'm gonna keep on going from where I left off now.
And I hope you remember me when you pass me by in your silver car. I know I don't exist in anybody's mind, but at least I'll be in mine.
It's just be hard.
I feel mysterious and weak. I pull my legs and drag my feet. This place mysterious and deep.
That's a good lyric. This place mysterious and deep. Still the road keeps doo-doo-doo. I wanted to come up with something like that. I'm gonna have to write that down. And then. Okay, I gotta put the guitar down. I have to go right now because otherwise I'll just be here all day long. 'Cause that's what happens when you put a guitar in my hand. It's gonna be sweet when I have musician friends who want to do the same thing with me, and we're hanging out all day inside playing guitar, but then we can also go outside and play sports and also be inside and talk with each other. Have friends who have common interests. That would be excellent. But until then, I have some, but just not enough. Not people who are free during the daytime in Austin, because everybody has jobs that they work until like 5 or whatever. And also because I'm still really just meeting a lot of people now too. Getting to the point where like we're hanging out and whatnot. And a lot of people I meet aren't necessarily musicians, so it's gonna be sweet. I'm excited to go to this songwriters group, and that's really what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna focus on going to a lot more of these sort of groups and jams and musician communities. Get these songs down so that I can go to open mic nights and also have an online presence that I can feel confident in representing myself, saying this is what I do, here's my stuff, check it out if you want, check it out in person. I'm going to play it for you right now. That's open mic night, and then hopefully use that kind of thing to meet a lot of people who are into music and arts, big network of cool people, and start doing cool stuff with cool people all the time, and turn this hobby and this obsession that I've had of music into something that's a social career or something like that. So I love talking to you. Really, it's a blast. I'm gonna go now though. It's 5:30. I'm just gonna take a bit of a walk. Probably go maybe take a drive to the park around here, Little Stacy Park, Big Stacy Park. Walk around, think about everything, and then come back. It's hot in here. Come back, shower. No, I'm not gonna shower. Come back, eat dinner, and then head to the place. Probably get there around 7:30 or so, and then stay there for a couple hours. Come back, and that'll be my day. Days go by fast. They do. Sometimes I feel like I should do more, but to be honest, I did a lot of good, productive stuff today so far, and I still have a lot left to do more good stuff. So it's been good. I hope you've enjoyed it. Goodbye.